Hello guys, I hope you all are really fine. Today I'll teach you how to make smooth zooms inside After Effects, and yes, it's really easy. First let's see, here are 3 clips. First we'll pre-compose all of them. Like, choose this options like these. Then add blur more curves. For this you have to install the Sapphire plugin. Then just see, there is a marker in between. Just place it anywhere, like the nose or the head. I'll choose the nose, and then at the starting frame make a keyframe on the Z disc like this, and at the end of the clip make it like according to your clip. I will choose 0.7 like this, and then press U to see the keyframes, and then select all of them, and then press F9 to ease them. Next you can use 2 things. First, the Jerry Flow V2, directly tap on this, or I will tell you the other way. After selecting the keyframes, press here and you will see this. Then just slide them like this. Okay, it's really easy. See, wait, yeah, now see, it's smooth. You can make it more deeper if you really want it, like see, I'm going towards 0.5 and like this. Add the graph, and here you go, smooth zooms. And after this, just go to the effects tab and just copy this, and on the next clip go to the first frame and then paste it, Ctrl+V, and just change the direction of the marker, and then press U and see if it's the last keyframe is in the last frame or not. If not, then just drag it. I'll also tell you how to drag. Just select all, press Alt, and then just drag it. Okay, easy. And same for the last clip, like this, and here you go, everything is done. Here is the preview, and in between you can add shakes, etc. And if you want the preset of this zoom, I just want 10 likes, and I'll drop the preset file in the description. So that's all what we will do today. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.